To update the logo on your website, come into Edit Website, Website Pages, Design, Logo and Title, which is where you can configure the site name, the site tagline, and you can upload the logo to be used for desktop devices, mobile devices, your social share image, and the address bar icon, often referred to as a favicon. Now, whenever you're uploading a logo, it's best to upload an SVG vector if you have one. If you don't, you can upload a PNG or a JPEG. It's just harder to have it be the exact size and also be very sharp. And you also have the ability to resize it to fit. So whenever possible, upload an SVG logo with the max width typically being around 200 points wide or 100 points tall. So you typically want to be around that size. It often takes a couple attempts at uploading, but it is important that you upload a different logo for the desktop and the mobile if you're uploading an SVG vector. If you upload a PNG and you click the resize to fit, it'll often work pretty well. But the desktop logo works for everything but a phone. So even the tablet is actually using the desktop logo. And then once we get down to the phone, it's using the mobile size. You can see it is smaller. That's because I've uploaded a smaller version. So again, whenever possible, upload an SVG, typically 200 points wide or up to 100 points tall. If you don't have an SVG, upload a PNG or a JPEG, and typically you're going to want to resize the image to fit so that it is in there nice and snug. If you have any questions on uploading a logo for your website, come up to the top where you'll find help articles on how to do this, or raise a support ticket, and client services will help you whenever you have questions like this or you're running into problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.